Blockchain interoperability, connecting different networks. Blockchain interoperability is the concept of connecting and enabling communication between different blockchain networks. This allows for the transfer of assets and data between disparate networks without the need for intermediaries. Why is cross-chain communication important? Cross-chain communication is crucial for the growth and adoption of blockchain technology. It enables users to transfer assets and data across different blockchain networks, opening up a world of possibilities for decentralized applications and services. How does blockchain connectivity work? Interoperable blockchain platforms use a variety of technologies and protocols to facilitate cross-network interactions. These platforms are designed to be compatible with multiple blockchain networks, allowing for inter-chain transactions and seamless network interoperability. Challenges of interoperability. While blockchain interoperability offers numerous benefits, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is achieving seamless integration and compatibility between different blockchain networks. Solutions for interoperability. To overcome the challenges of blockchain interoperability, various solutions have been proposed. These include developing standards for network interoperability, creating interoperable applications, and implementing protocols for cross-platform connectivity. The future of blockchain interoperability. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, the need for network interoperability will only grow. Connecting decentralized networks and enabling cross-network transactions will be essential for driving innovation and growth in the blockchain ecosystem. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain interoperability is a key factor in the advancement of blockchain technology,